do, go to my profile, click on the link, and get started. Just for $27.95. You're investing in yourself, your future, fixing your credit, getting paid extra on your paycheck every Friday whenever you get paid. And still, you have a business that you're working from home with MyEcon. So I'm telling you, get started. Get on the team, jump on board. Don't let the ship leave you. Do not let the ship leave you. All right? This is the end of the year, going in 2020. You want to be in the same position you're in? You do not want to be in the same position you're in. I'm telling you. So you need to get on board, get on the team. I know you see everything about MyEcon, how the team is doing. Everyone is creating massive income. Who is not working and who is working is getting extra money working with their business from home. So get started. Go to my profile, click on the link, sign up. I will get back to you immediately. You're on the safe side when you join MyEcon. I guarantee you that. And the BBB, the Better Business Bureau, guarantee you that. Okay? So, I'll see you on the next video. And remember, go to my profile, click on the link, get started, and I will get back to you. Okay? You have a great day and a great night. I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.